So before getting into the video, I have few disclaimer for you. First,
There's gonna be lot of noise in the video. People honking. कोई फल वाला फल बेच रहा है, कोई सब्जी वाला सब्जियां बेच रहा है. क्योंकि डोर ओपन है, नेचुरल लाइट सिर्फ इस रूम में आती है. I have no other choice.
secondly,
There is मंदिर exactly opposite to my house. नवरात्रि की वजह से बहुत सारे भजन और people are doing all those part and all.
I'll try my level best to cut those noises out from the video. But if I'm talking और उसके ऊपर पे अगर noise है तो नहीं कर सकती. ये एक सब्जी वाला है क्या? हाँ. Just be ready. That's why I gave this disclaimer at the beginning of the video. Oh my god, this is so hot. You can see the sweat, right? This is not highlighter, by the way. And third disclaimer.
I'm not wearing earrings because मेरा ये वाला कान थोड़ा पेन कर रहा है. I think so I wore something very heavy. I don't know when. I don't remember when. But yeah, so this ear is a little bit not in a good condition basically to wear anything.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create 3 hairstyles for this current festive season, which going to be appropriate for every Indian outfit, I believe, and also it'll work well for every length. Like I won't say it's short, but I think so it's somewhere in between. I will call it short only, so it's okay. I have bangs as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut it like again, but right now I've kept it as a side bang. So yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. Before getting into the hairstyle, guys, it's really important to have nice and healthy hair. For me, the only problem I face with my hair is, guys, frizziness. I have really frizzy hair. Right now you can't see because obviously everything is a lot under control. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the shampoo I'm using currently, and it's working really well on my hair. There is this company called Freewill, guys. It's a customized shampoo company. Their products looks like this. This is their shampoo, and this is their hair mask, and this is their serum. Guys, this is the second bottle of serum I'm using currently. I am in love with this shampoo. The best part is, guys, it is customized. So customized होने का यहाँ पे पूरा फंडा ये है कि you go to their website firstly. They will ask you multiple questions that what do you want, what is your hair problem. So for example, I don't have dandruff, but I have flaky scalp because I'm a dry skin type. So my scalp is also very dry. So I face a little bit of flakiness if I'm not oiling my hair on a regular day-to-day basis. So these are the few questions you're gonna see there. You will see if you have volume issues, what do you want to fix, if you have dry hair. They're gonna ask you where are you staying currently. So suppose if you're in a winter region, like on the north side of the country, if you live in the south, so I mentioned like I stay in Bangalore, so they're gonna consider that factor as well. अगर आप इनकी website पे जाओगे, you will see hundreds of questions related to your lifestyle as well. If you work out or not, if you have thyroid issues, you know, if you smoke, if you do alcohol, what kind of work you do, if you're physically active, if you are like me, software engineer sitting and working. There are hundreds of questions. So depending on the state you live in, depending on the country and the region you live in, also depending on the lifestyle you have, if any kind of disease you have, if the kind of, like, you know, if you're vegetarian, if you're non-vegetarian, there is so much they ask, and depending on that they create a product for you. हम मार्केट से एक शैम्पू लेके आते हैं, they claim 100 different things. Just imagine you get that one shampoo, you know, which is on spot, which can, you know, attack your weaknesses, your points where you know need to fix it like on the spot. Like you don't really need to look around here and there, and it's like no, this is the shampoo, this fixes frizziness, but this is also for dandruff, so I don't think so this will work for me. And the product you will receive, guys, that's gonna be amazing. That's gonna blow your mind. It's been almost 2 to 3 months I'm using this product. It's almost done. I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera. Only this much is left. I have finished the entire bottle. And also with the shampoo you receive a hair mask. So they are not giving conditioner with the current package, they are giving hair mask, and trust me guys, it's very nourishing. And with that, the third thing you get is a serum. And again guys, serum is very nice. This is the second bottle I'm using. I am in love with it. My friends also uses this. I link the Freewill's website down below in the description box. You can go and check it out. And also the best part, guys, they customize it with your name. They're gonna mention your name on the product. Isn't this amazing? I find it so cool. So I have my name on all these 3 bottles, and it feels good, you know, like you know this product belongs to you and this gonna work well on your hair. So yes guys, do give it a try, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So So guys, now let's just jump into the hairstyle. So for all these hairstyles, I'm not going to use any hairspray or any hair teasing, any hair tools. अपने normal वालों पे ही मैं सब कुछ करने वाली हूँ. I'm not a huge fan of heating tools and heating sprays in general. So yeah, let's just begin. So in the hairstyle number 1 guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a center part. So this will be perfect for people who want to wear mang tika, and also I'm gonna look there because my mirror is there. So I have center parted my hair. As you can see, I don't have mang tika with me guys because I'm at my parents' place and I have all my jewelry and accessories at my place in Bangalore. So this is the earring I got right now. So I'm gonna place it here. I hope this is looking good because this is the maximum kind of adjustment I can do right now. I'll secure it with a hair clip, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of hair from this side and I'm gonna hide it this way. This looks like Bodla, right? Now take a section of hair from here and start rolling it. Now take a hairpin and secure it. Then take another strand, start rolling it as we did earlier, and then again secure it with a pin. This hairstyle will be perfect for if you're wearing mang tika and a earring. This won't work good if you're wearing a necklace like this because this not gonna show, right? If you're doing a ponytail or stuff like that, then neck pieces, you know, like huge neck pieces looks really good. So the next hairstyle is something which I do almost all the time because it's easy to do and it's obviously, you know, like comfortable. You don't need a lot of techniques and tactics. So for this, again, we're gonna divide our hair into a center part, and then we're gonna start rolling our hair again from the side, and then start taking small section and start rolling with the first section. Make it loose a little bit and take a little bit of hair out from it. You have to leave it little loose so that, you know, that flow can be seen, and then pin it. And the same thing we're gonna do at the right side as well. बीच का भाग बीच में नहीं है, टेढ़ा निकला हुआ है. It's okay guys, but be careful because obviously that is the plus point, you know, like you're taking center partition and then rolling it. So be careful, you have to take the center partition properly. Mang tika will also look good guys with this hairstyle. And yeah, this is the final look. My next style is gonna be a bun guys because I cannot handle this heat right now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna separate this hair and take the entire hair behind and then tie it as a ponytail. So I've made a ponytail and I'm gonna wrap this around as a bun. Take some U-pins and set it inside. And I'm gonna pin these baby hair up with help of a clip. I am planning to keep it like this because this looks just amazing. This frames my face, it gives the shape. That's about it for today's video guys. These hairstyles I know are very easy and very doable. That is the entire point of this video guys, that you have to make your hair look good. Then whatever you do with your hair, whatever hairstyle you do, that automatically looks really beautiful. I hope you like this video guys. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. It must be popping on the screen and it will be linked below in the description box. Make sure to go and check it out, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers. बहुत गर्मी है. Oh, I need fan.